Hey guys, I'm just gonna show you guys my new Fossil watch that I just got. I just went and picked it up here at the Buckle store in the mall. I just thought I'd show you guys what it was. Here's the box. Cool design around the outside. Bottom, as you can see, Fossil. On the outside, kind of a maze-looking thing, and then Fossil. Yeah. All right. Let's get this thing open. I'm gonna set my camera down for a second. Alright, so I got it open, guys. Here's the little tag here. I always had to try it on, make sure it fit in the store, so it is not officially an unboxing. I'll take that out. There's a price tag. Here's a little booklet. Warranty guide. You got a 10-year warranty on this thing. It's a keeper. And here's my watch. Check out that bad boy. Let me get it out of there. There we go. There it is, guys. You can tell the diamonds at the top. It's a very sharp watch. On the back there, you got the Fossil. That's my watch.